Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video about this Macintosh Color Classic that I've got here. I actually found this for about $60, which is a pretty good deal for this machine. It's got 4 megabytes of memory. I've ordered a network card for it, and I just done a fresh install of System 7. So I'll take it out of this tripod. Sorry it'll be shaky, but I have no idea where my smaller tripod is, or shorter tripod is. And you can see that it has 7.5. It had an 80 gigabyte hard disk in it, but it was dead. The seller claimed it was working, so it probably just got messed up in shipping. And the CRT was also really badly misaligned, so I took it apart and fixed that. So now it has a 250 megabyte hard disk. Sorry about these scan lines. The sound and everything works. So you can see that that works. I haven't installed anything yet, really. But the system works fine. Works quite well. And it's working perfectly with this hard drive and with the alignments to the display. So it'll be cool trying to network this. I might make a video where I connect it to like a more modern machine through like Telnet or something, but that's just a quick little video on this Color Classic. And it's in pretty good shape. You can see there was like a sticker or something there. It was probably a school because it looked like it had like a strip of maybe like something was like put on top of here saying like the number or something. But the floppy disk or the floppy drive works fine. Yeah, it's pretty good. It came with the keyboard and mouse, and everything works. So, Hey, why don't I install Stuff Expander?